IONE stabbing rampage suspect Joseph Jenkins makes first court appearance. IONE Joseph Jenkins, the man accused of a deadly stabbing rampage in IONE, appeared in an Amador County courtroom for the first time Wednesday. Jenkins, 34, was charged with 1 count of murder and 2 counts of attempted murder for a string of stabbings that happened Monday morning. Deputy District Attorney Jay Finnecy said this, in addition to Jenkins' criminal history, could mean a sentence of 129 years to life in prison. During the hearing, Jenkins was seen sticking out his tongue with a man from the public defender's office trying to cover him from our cameras. When asked by the judge if he wanted an attorney, Jenkins responded, "No, and what sounded like, I want to go back to the hospital." The man from the public defender's office then conversed with Jenkins, who then changed his mind and was appointed the public defender. During the hearing, the judge read the charges plus enhancements from Jenkins' prior convictions. CBS 13 obtained the court documents detailing Jenkins' prior convictions in IONE. In 2009, Jenkins served time for causing great bodily injury to his father, Clarence Jenkins, who at the time was 76 years old. The documents show photos of the injuries Joseph caused to his father. It also shows an exchange from one of Clarence's visits to his son in jail where he told Joseph that he belonged in jail. Time equals 400 Ms. greater than in 2011. Joseph Jenkins was sentenced to 14 years for the attempted murder of Ronald Jenkins. He was paroled and then sent to a state hospital, Finnecy said. Finnecy said that Jenkins served his full sentence but did not know what qualified him to be released from the state hospital. Why he was released from the state hospital, I don't know, other than they must have reached a conclusion that it was okay to release him, Finnecy said. Court documents show the Superior Court judge who presided over both prior cases was David S. Richmond. Time equals 400 Ms. greater than. Finnecy confirmed with CBS 13 that Richmond happens to be the grandfather of the first victim from the stabbing rampage, Shane Billows, but still believes the attack was not targeted. "We do not believe this is what motivated this attack," said Finnecy. "The attack appears to be completely random and not targeted." Finnecy identified the second victim in Monday's stabbings as George Orozco, a PG&E worker who was on duty when he was attacked. "The whole community of IONE is shaken by this," Finnecy said. Finnecy said that Jenkins did have a parole officer assigned to him that met with him at least once since his return to IONE. IONE Police Chief John Alfred also told the media on Tuesday that the department had gotten 2 nonviolent calls for service about Jenkins since his release. One call was in early September and the second was just 3 days before the stabbing rampage. The family of Lori Owens, the woman Jenkins is accused of killing Monday, sat in the front row in tears during Wednesday's hearing. "They are just devastated," Finnecy said. Owens's family addressed the media on Tuesday and said they want justice for their loved one and change to the justice system they believe failed them. "I will be handling the case and give it my best effort to ensure he is never released again and the community of IONE can heal and feel safe," Finnecy said. Jenkins is currently being held at the Amador County Jail on no bail. His next court appearance is scheduled for November 17 at 1:30 p.m. when he is expected to enter a plea.